Primetime News this evening, more details on the deadly gun battle in Negril, Westmoreland.
Omar Collymore gets 2 life sentences for orchestrating the murder of his wife and a taxi operator.
And why court proceedings came to a halt in Spanish Town today. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kelisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Kelisha, we have an update on the long-awaited Harmony Cove development project. Well, the finance minister told us this evening that an agreement has been signed, so I'll have the details later on in the financial week.
And everybody wants to know what's happening in the Olympics.
Exactly.
Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
That's right, Giovanni. Thank you very much. There was an original type opening ceremony for the Paris Olympics today. We'll hear more about that in Primetime Sports later. And also we'll hear from the Jamaican team doctor on the fitness status of the Jamaican athletes.
An exciting week ahead, Giovanni. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the police's operation in Negril, which led to the fatal shooting of 4 gunmen?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.